Good morning everyone and good morning Miss Isidro. Today, we'll walk through the key statistical analysis such as the mean, median, range, standard deviation, and variance of the measured concentration in this sample. And now, let's begin. To calculate the statistical measures of the given concentration, let's first list the data. So this is all the data of the sample. To calculate the mean, so this is the formula of mean, where this one is the sum of the data divided by the number of all data. So by this one, we need to add it all first. And the answer is 37.4. And to get the mean, you need to divide it all. Divide the number of data. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 37.4 divided by 10 is equals to, using a scientific calculator or calculus, the answer is 3.74 mg per liter. The median is the middle value when the data set is arranged in ascending order or in descending order. If there is an even number of data points, it's the average of the two middle numbers. First steps, arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange the data in ascending order. So we have here a 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and 4.0, 4.1, 4.2. These are the data given in the sample. Next step is we need to identify the middle value. So the middle value is 3.7 plus 3.8. So we need to take the average. So 3.7 plus 3.8 is equals to 7.5 divided into 2 because it is 2 value. Divided into 2 equals 3.75. And now this is our median, 3.75 milligram per liter. Now let's proceed to the range. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value in the data sets. So I have here two steps in calculating the range. As we can see that there's a highest value and the lowest value. So the lowest value from the given concentration is 4.2. So we need to put here a 2.2 value for the lowest. And in lowest is 3.2. So to calculate the range is simple. We need to subtract the highest and the lowest value. 4.2 minus 3.2, so equals to 1 or 1.0 and milligram per liter. So this is the result, no, for the range 1.0. Calculate the standard deviation, subtract the mean from each value, and square the result. So this is our given different samples, and our mean is 3.74. And then this is the answer. Then put square, and this is the result. And sum the squared answer. So 0.384 or 86. Standard deviation is calculated by dividing the sum of the squares by n minus 1, where n is the number of measurement and taking the square root. So this is our result. So we need to square it. 0.369 minus of divided by n minus 1. So n is 10. So the total given samples are 10 minus 1. And the answer is 0. Deviation is calculated by dividing the sum of the squares by 1, where the n is the different samples and taking the square root. And this is now the answer of standard deviation. And for the variance, it's just the square of the absolute standard deviation answer, so which is 0.304 squares to have a variance. So, and the answer is 0.924. And milligram per liter. So this is now the variance. This analysis provides clear understanding of the distribution and variability of the chemical substance concentration across the 10 samples. For the summary of result, mean is 3.74, median is 3.75, for the range is 1.0 or 1, and for the saturation is 0.304, and for the variance is 0.924. That's all.